This screencast will show you how to do links in WordPress and also just give you a little more background on WordPress. So ideally we're looking to add link text, within a page or content like this. And you can see down here that the link is still going to be on the dev website, but I've got it set up so when we migrate to the live website, these links will automatically update. So I've updated to the newest version of WordPress 3.1, and it's actually got some really neat features in it. For example, let's say I wanted to make this a link. I would just highlight it, I would click this link box, and this new thing down here where I can link to existing content. And then here's all the pages and posts of the website. So then I could just say, okay, I want to link to maybe this page. It does all that for us, but you can see it hard codes our dev URL here. And then when we migrate the website, that's also going to stay, so then those links will all go to the dev website, not on the live website. So I found a workaround for that. It is like this. I found a plugin where we can just type in a little code here, and this will allow us to link to any page or post by its ID, and then we can also specify the link text. So this probably looks a little funky, but this is going to allow us to get all those links inserted on the dev website. Then Dr. Souter can review the dev website, and we won't have to explain anything about links changing. And it'll also probably give you a little more skills on WordPress. So let me show you how this works. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm saying when I want to add a link, I just need to add this little bracket here, the word link, space, ID equals, and then in the quotes here, I got to use the ID for the post or the page. And every single one has their own ID. You can see the home page has an ID of 2 right here. Now, this plugin also provides this really neat little shortcode lookup deal down here, where you can just type in home, and it'll type link ID is equal to 2. Or maybe I want to do office, and it has a bunch of different of the office ones. Maybe we want the office location. Link ID is 96. So let's just say I want to take that one, and we can just add it right here. So I'm just going to paste it in. I'll update. And I'll go back to the home page, and I'll refresh it. And so you can see this, give my office a call, and then here's where it converts that link we put in that little code into the office location. And if you look down here, it has got the proper address. And let's say by default, if we don't provide any link text, it'll just pull the page title. So in this case, that's kind of not what we want. We actually would like to maybe have this all link up. So what we can do, we can go back here, we can just remove this text, and we just follow the format above. We say text equals that, update, refresh, and now we're back in business. You can see the link's the same, and then this is going to work. So when we migrate the website, we won't have to do any kind of editing to all these internal links. They're all going to be updated automatically. One other thing I wanted to point out, in WordPress 3.1, there's a few differences. That's one of them. Another difference is you might not see some of these menu items down here that you're used to seeing, and that's easy to change. You just go to Screen Options, and you can just check or uncheck which boxes you want to show. And even on this, because I'm on a small resolution monitor right now, you can see there's some overlap here, and that looks kind of bad. So I could just change it to one column, and it adjusts on the fly. So just a couple more things to point out about WordPress. Let me know if you have any questions, and you should be able to get the links set up from now.